Neural networks are inspired by the human brain. A biological neuron receives signals through dendrites, processes them in the cell body, and sends output through the axon. This simple unit is the foundation of all learning in the brain. An artificial neuron mimics this mathematically. It takes inputs, multiplies each by a weight, sums them with a bias, and passes through an activation function. Weights determine how important each input is for the final decision. Without activation functions, networks would be linear and unable to learn complex patterns. ReLU outputs 0 for negatives and passes positives through. Sigmoid squashes values between 0 and 1. These functions let networks model intricate relationships. In forward propagation, data flows from input through hidden layers to output. Early layers detect simple features like edges. Middle layers combine them into shapes. Deep layers recognize complex concepts like faces or objects. After forward propagation, a loss function compares predictions to truth. Mean squared error for regression, cross entropy for classification. The loss tells us how wrong the network is, driving the entire learning process. Backpropagation uses the chain rule to calculate gradients of the loss with respect to every weight. This reveals each weight's contribution to the error. Invented in the 1980s, this algorithm made deep learning possible. Gradient descent updates weights opposite to the gradient direction, like walking downhill. The learning rate controls step size, too big overshoots, too small takes forever. This optimization improves networks over time. Today neural networks power facial recognition, language translation, self-driving cars, and medical diagnosis. With billions of parameters and GPU acceleration, deep learning continues pushing boundaries of artificial intelligence.